Hi, good morning, welcome to our Blackpool biker. Just outside the old Ibis, however you want to pronounce it. Town hall's just there. And if you just pan round a little bit, right at North Pier. So I'm just going to have a wander through town, show you what it's like. We are early, it's about, what, 7:45 or something like that. We like to get out early. We're going to have a look at the aerial ride, the largest one in Europe. We'll get there in a minute or two. Now foreshores, by the way, the old Ibis. All been done up. So obviously we're on Market Street here. You got Trilogy nightclub there. That used to be Rumours yonks ago, many years ago. Just there. We'll pop up here. New Yates is there. I say new, it's been there years now. Right and rates with the spoons on the right. Brannigan's. Look up here. Rosencrown. Mr. Wynn's place. Same as West Coast. That's Scruffy Murphy's just down there. So yeah, I don't know if they've actually dismantled it all at the moment, but apparently what it was, it came that safety concerns coming about yesterday morning we were greeted to, I think it's for space, to be honest. There weren't enough space. I'll show you a few of the places. I'm barely at the moment. See how they're to let and what have you. Quite a few. Pepper Mill, always nice in Pepper Mill. We've got all the Christmas tree lights on now. I did show that the other day. And there are a few to light on one of the major streets in town. The crypt. Got LBT would run a mile. Wow. Part of West Coast, obviously. It's the Winds. You got Aberdeen Street Markets just there. Let's have a look what's happening here, though. You're right in front of the Winter Gardens now, obviously. Big sign gives it away. So yeah, it's gone, hasn't it? All gone, look, dismantled. Just have a wander up a second. See all the Christmas lights up. A Christmas tree twinkling away. See the packet, all packed up. Well, apparently it was because of space. What a shame. We can get a better view in a minute. Yeah, it's all just packed up in it. What a shame. Apparently they are trying to relocate it, but see, there's 3 big trucks with it all on. About half the size of the tower it was. You wouldn't have got me on that for love nor money. Just come over here a little way. Oh, it's 5 to 8 now, so the clock's saying 5 to 8 on the AM. You'd have thought they might have looked into this space they were needing a bit more, really, wouldn't you? Let's see if they can relocate it somewhere else, so you can really say. Shame there's no one there to talk to. I'm a bit dizzy. Yeah, there's no one around really. But what a shame. What a shame. Anyway, from Church Street, town centre. Hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.